Hello stock stalkers, welcome back to the channel. These days, wherever you go, it's very likely that you might hear someone talking and discussing about cryptocurrencies, may it be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any cryptocurrencies. Also, NFTs are in fashion. Today, let's discuss about Bitcoin in detail. Yes, this is a top to bottom analysis. With that, let's start the video. Let me clarify something. I don't trade Bitcoin personally. If you are into cryptos, do comment below and let me know. This is the monthly chart of Bitcoin. Let's analyze in detail. We can see with the help of previous data, it's been making higher highs and higher lows. Yes, if you talk about the trend, it's still to the upside on a longer time frame. Now, what are we seeing here is a nice price action with some chart pattern. Previously, we saw market was just pushing high. There was so much of euphoria and people were expecting it will go to the moon. Now, when I saw this parabolic move, I always say my students, do not chase any parabolic moves. Market cannot just keep going up, it surely have to come down for a correction. If there is still potential, if there is juice remaining, it will definitely cross the resistance and it will make a new high. So always wait for a correction phase. After a push phase, you can expect some profit booking or a retracement. When you see good buying signals, this is your chance to enter. Coming back to Bitcoin, this was surely a parabolic move. Right here, it started somewhere around 10,000 and from here it pushed till 63,000 plus. Surely there was no retracement in between. You cannot see even a red candle here. This is not at all healthy for the market. Market is always expected to move in phases. You see a push phase, correction phase and a push phase. I hope guys you are understanding this concept. I'm repeating it for the second time so that this is engraved into your system. And you can avoid FOMOs. Fear of missing out is just crazy. Many people think if I don't enter now, market will just go to the moon leaving me behind. Let's analyze what happened here. After market hit the resistance once, we saw it made a dodgy type of candle. Dodgy means indecisiveness in the market. When I saw this red candle after so many months, this was my first indication. Now you can expect some retracement. We saw most of the cryptocurrencies following Bitcoin. Then market again took support somewhere around 29,000. We saw a dodgy candle. Here we can read the psychology of the market. After this solid red candle, don't you think market is expected to fall further? But instead market took a halt. Let me remove the drawing. Here market took a halt, meaning some buyers are here, they don't want market to go further down. Then we saw a green candle after a halt candle. This is again a good indication of market psychology that after a dodgy candle we are seeing a green candle. It means buyers are now activated. Resistance is right here. Remember one thing, whenever market touches the resistance for the first time, definitely you will expect some kind of reaction. Most likely market will react negatively. Again we saw a red candle. This time it was inverted hammer candle, which is also bearish, and then we saw a follow through. A solid red candle. This is for the month of December. This green candle that is forming is still not complete. This is for the month of January. Let us move down to weekly chart to analyze further. This is the weekly chart of Bitcoin. Here we are seeing some nice bullish price action. Market took a halt for so many weeks here and then eventually we saw a breakout of this range. Yes, we can say this was a nice buying opportunity. From here market pushed to the upside, came back for a correction and then it made a bullish price action. That is, it crossed the previous resistance. For now, again, it's taking support somewhere near the previous swing low. This is the swing low, which is acting as a support. At the same time, if I try to connect the trend line, let me remove the drawing. If I try to connect a trend line here, the trend line is already breached. This solid red candle have already broken the trend line. And as of now, market is just hovering around the support zone. There are good chances market can come down further to retest the previous support zone, making it a double bottom kind of pattern. Let's analyze further in detail on daily chart. This is the daily chart of Bitcoin. Let's analyze somewhere from the top. Market tested the resistance again and it got rejected. From here we are seeing market is making lower lows and lower highs. This is the definition of a downtrend. But right here we are seeing this is the support. For now, say around 45,000 is a strong support for the market. It tried once to move up but could not sustain This is the resistance zone for the market, that is somewhere between 50,000 to 51,000. As of now, it's retesting the previous support zone right here, that is around 45,500 plus and minus. I don't see any buying opportunities as of now. I want to see a clearance of resistance zone. Let me mark it for you. If the resistance is broken with a decisive candle, I would consider it a buying chance. As of now, we can also see market is making lower lows and lower highs, but interestingly, we can see market have broken the trend line with this solid green candle. So if you are looking for a buying opportunity, I would suggest wait for some price action, let it cross the resistance that is above 52,000, and then look for some bullish chart pattern or bullish price action and then enter the trade. If you are a swing trader, obviously you can start targeting the previous swings with a proper risk management. Yes, you may ask me if this is a strong support. Well, I don't think so. This has been tested multiple times. Now it's getting weaker. So there are good chances this support might break and it can even come down further, maybe retesting the previous support that is around 40,000. Yes, this can be a good shorting opportunity. If it breaks the support, you can target 40,000. But buying should be only planned after it crosses this swing high that is around 52,000 plus. I hope guys this analysis was helpful for you. Do not forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.